other things. I don't want that. You know, I want people to hear me very, very well. Guys, please don't mind my music here that I'm playing. This music, guys, is the kind of music that I use my charm with. I don't know what is this level. What does it mean?
I don't know.
Mongales, please, what does that mean, man? Explain, man. We are very, very much shocked here. What does a level mean? Good day, chasers, powerful.
Low level.
Oh, low levels. Oh, Mongales. Hey, I was shocked, man. I feel like we have people who are speaking other languages here, so you must confirm if you know it's the good thing. But what's happening, guys? We're still waiting for people to come and join. I'm not yet convinced. Hello, Mr. Mamba. How are you feeling today? Good to have you back. I'm feeling super fine, guys. Even though you guys in the morning I was shocked with you. You guys don't like me. You didn't even send anything to me to say, Mamba, because man, you are sick, man, get well and do what. You guys just you guys are disappointing me now. Me, I don't know if you guys really love me or you just pretending. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. But then, guys, I'm fine. I'm fine. Thanks, guys, for checking up on me. Really means a lot. Sorry, we're also recovering from yesterday's trade. Mongales, Mr. Mamba, I'm a newbie here, but glad you're okay. Katlejo, thanks, man. Guys, I'm gonna say this again. Guys. When you are trading, risk 1 or 2% of your account. Don't over risk. I'm saying this, guys. Risk 1 or 2% of your account. No matter what size of your account you are using, if you're using $10 account, make sure that you are risking maybe $3 per position, guys. Because you can't risk in terms of percentage because that amount is very small. But then make sure, guys, stop disappointing the member, guys. Our guys, you can't be blowing accounts now. Because after Charmaine yesterday's trade was hitting TP. So you guys, you can't be blowing accounts, guys. You can't do that. That's right. Get well, brother. Mamba in the building, young T, super nice and simple. Okay, guys, before we can just chill and have our talk, I'm just gonna go through a breakdown here. I have US30. As you can see, guys, you can see that we've had price reversing from this nice era here. Let me just see. Era of what 34929, and then price just rejected all the way, pushed like it was bleeding all the way to the downside, created this I can say support level here, and then we started seeing structure pushing to the upside, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then now we are in this range. So we want to see if we're going to be able to break out of this range, or we're not going to be able to break out of this range. But if we do break below and close below these areas, guys, then we're going to be looking for selling opportunities. If we don't, and then we come into these areas, we're going to be looking for our longs opportunities. Same thing applies with our resistance. If we come into this resistance area and we fail to break, then we're going to be looking for our selling opportunities. But if it happens otherwise that we do break above, we're going to be looking for longs opportunities. So basically, guys, it's going to be us reacting to what the market is doing, not trying to predict where the market is going to go, because of predicting where the market can go can sometimes really hurt you. Not sometimes, all the time it can hurt you, because at some point you're gonna miss where the market is supposed to go, and you're gonna feel like a failure and all that because of you missed the trade. But nonetheless, guys, same thing applies on Nasdaq, guys. You can see that price was making these high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, and then you see that we entered in this one big range here, and then you want to see how price is going to react here. We were talking with Eve about Nasdaq and a lot of manipulation and all that. So you wouldn't really trust, even if it does close here, it can still spike in these areas and spike somewhere here before moving in that intended direction. So there's a lot of fake moves that are involved in this indices called Nasdaq. Yeah, so yeah. But then, guys, again, a quick reminder: make sure that you are risking 1 or 2% of the account. You don't want to be over risking, guys. Make sure that you are risking 1 or 2% of the account. You don't want to over risking. Again, I'm saying that again and again.
Reminding them.
It's just a reminder, guys. That's a nice quick reminder. So let me see here, guys. If you have something that is hot by your side, make sure that you remove it, because now it's about to go down, man. Man,
it's about to go down.
Come on, man. Stop tripping, bro.
It's about to go down, guys.
Who's the girl next to you? This is Eva, guys. This is Eva, one of the Forex Chasers mentors. So assistant mentors, guys, it's the same thing. She's a mentor, guys. She's a mentor. Oh my God, that is the what is that? Is the bottom line. Yeah, bottom line. Yeah. Oh, that's Eva. Okay, she's pretty. Very, very much pretty, man. Yeah.
Thank you.
She's saying thank you. That's nice of her. You know, some women when they're saying they're pretty, they just say they say I know. Man, I'm just complimenting you and you're saying I know. That is rude. Come on, man. But she said thank you, guys. So yeah. Let me see. Are we buying Nas? Let her take over, Mamba.
Saki chaser.
You want Eva to take over, guys? You want Eva to take over? Missed the start of the chat. What did I miss? Guys, I can give her now. Guys, she's crying. You know, guys, it's not easy to with people, guys. Even me now, guys, I'm shaking now because
you can't be shaking.
I bet you guys, you are blowing real money here. I'm kidding, guys. I'm not shaking. But then again, guys, yeah, you get to used to these things, guys. Not something that can just happen like that. Hey, you know, now I'm dancing so nice.
Music.
I'm listening to my nice music. Yeah, we're just waiting for time now, guys. Market is just consolidating here in this area, guys, in the middle of nowhere for us. So if price closes like this, we know what we are looking out for, guys. You know. If price closes like this, guys, we know what we're looking for. So I'm not gonna call a trade. I'm just gonna let you guys do the things to be done because we've been doing this for the longest time. Okay, I'm kidding. Hey, someone is gonna die and like, Mama, you cannot let us, man, be on our own, man. I bet we are stealing you. Man, relax. I'm not fighting you, bro. No? Relax. Okay, guys. If price can close like this, guys, I'll be very much happy if I can see it coming and tapping into these areas first. That would be very much happy for me. It will mean a lot to me. Before I seem to have recovered. Are you okay, Prosbuile? Man, some of us just joined. Man, I'm very, very much okay, man. I'm very, very much okay. Guys, we have like 38 seconds. We have like 30 seconds left in the table. So now let's see, guys, what's happening. Let's see what's happening. Let's see. I'm seeing people are preparing their accounts here. I asked Eva to mentor me months ago. What did she say? Ferai? What did she say? Ferai. Eva doesn't remember that. It's tough, guys, in the streets. Okay, guys, we want to look for longs opportunity. We want to look for longs opportunity, but I'm just waiting for price to come at least step into these areas before we buy. I'm waiting for price, guys, because if we buy here, our stops are gonna be a little bit more big. Did it enter? Is that just 30? 1 minute.
And I saw that move on Eva's phone first. See that drop? I saw that 1 minute candlestick just.
Yeah.
There seems to be down.
Okay, guys, let's enter our buys, guys. Let's enter our buys, guys. Let's enter our buys, guys. Okay, guys, let's enter our buys. The thing is, we see. Okay, guys, you just entered longs on your state. You can still enter. Price is still here. The entry price is still just playing in the entry. Did you enter, Shamin?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
Guys, let me just stop this music because now it's tripping with me. I wanna feel this market now, guys. I wanna feel it. I want to feel it. Must not mess with me, man. Okay, guys, you can see that price did come to this level of support, couldn't break, closed very, very nicely here, closed very, very nice, close to this area here. Super, super nice and simple, guys. So this price should go up. Can't mess with us. You can't mess with us. Can't mess with us, guys. Can't mess with us. Let me see here.
Wants to feel the inefficiency first.
This one. Other block traders.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. There's a lot of inefficiency here. Okay. Yeah. But guys, on our 15-minute time frame, we still have a lot of time left on our table. So yeah, guys, you can still enter if you haven't entered your longs on USDT. You can still enter. You can still enter. Just gonna see how this one goes. Just gonna see how this one goes. Just gonna see how this one goes. Yeah, let me just see here. You listen to Gom before accounts are ready. Hey man, I listen to Gom, man, just to lighten up
music, guys.
To lighten up my mood and all that. And it's my hometown music.
How can this guy from KZN, the home of Gom, not listen to Gom? How can that happen?
That is impossible. That is like mission impossible. Man. That is like mission impossible. That is like mission impossible. Let me see. You see, guys, when US30 does this, guys, when US30 does something like this, you can see that it's pushing down. You can see that it's pushing down, but there's not much momentum to push to the downside. So this should be our heads where the market is just manipulating these areas here. Eva did mention that it's feeling inefficiency, but I'm not too worried about this. I'm not too worried about this, guys. I'm not really too worried about this now. I'm not too worried. Can we use 1 minute time frame number on indices? If you want to, you can. Me personally, I don't use 1 minute. I feel like it's very much risky. It will definitely go up. You know, guys, when you learn a lot about these indices and backtesting them a lot, you get to understand how they move and all those kind of things. And even when they go against you, you don't really panic that much because you understand the process that they create before they move and all that. So this one, guys, what can happen on this 15-minute time frame, guys? We can be stuck around this zone for the longest time. 1 minute has traumatized me with Katlego.
Who's going to be traumatized?
It's Katlego.
You're saying that the 1 minute traumatized.
Okay, guys, what can happen actually, guys? Here you can see that the 5-minute candlestick just closed now somewhere here. What can happen with this, guys, is that you can still see price just playing in this area, and then that one candlestick or those two candlesticks, they're just gonna shoot up, because you can see that as much as it's pushing down, there's not much momentum to continue holding price to the downside.
It must just be.
Yeah. So we're just gonna manage our trade. Accordingly. We're just gonna manage our trade accordingly, because yeah, this session can go as long as it can go. Let me see the 5 minutes. You can see that the 5 minute closed below these areas here. Yeah, and then this one just opened now in 1 minute. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is, guys. You have to trust the member, guys. You have to trust the member. The process has been there for the longest time. Hey, it's the courage I have is too much. It's like I know where the market is gonna go.
Yeah.
You know, guys, when you are trading, you must have confidence in what you've been doing for the longest time. You can't be like doubting. You must have confidence and trust the process and trust yourself and all that. Doc, what do you say there, man?
I mean, I say the same thing, man. You can doubt yourself in the beginning, but how long are you going to keep doubting yourself?
How long?
You must get over that phase of doubting the process, because you've been doing, especially if you've been doing it for a while.
Yeah, you can't keep on doubting yourself, man. Like, come on, bro, stop tripping me. Your confidence is leads, bro. Love it. Hey, you know, man. You know. But guys, based on this, guys, what I'm seeing here, guys, most likely more chances are high that we're gonna stay here for a little bit longer, maybe 15 to 30 minutes. We're gonna stay here, and then after that, we're gonna see price shooting up. Because if you can see that price is trying to come to this areas, but it doesn't have a lot of momentum to continue pushing down. So we can still see price doing the things to be done.
Yes.
Yeah. Really, it's like you're coming my strategy now, man.
15-minute guidance. Yeah.
Yeah. So imagine, guys, if we could have maybe rushed this trade and entered here, we would have been in deep, right? But you see, I told you to wait for price to come a little bit more down because of So now we just waited, and now we see that price is doing its things. So let's just wait now, guys, and be patient. Where's the stop loss, guys? I'm gonna give out the stop loss before the session. I think guys are still looking at the market now. We wanna see what's gonna happen. How you guys want to stop loss and then you end the session just like that. Mamba, you never pull trigger on Nasdaq when there's a lot of fake move. Like, let me just make an example with Nasdaq. You can see here, it didn't close below this level of support here. So with my strategy that I'm using, it would have said I must call a buy. And you see that this move on Nasdaq is very, very too much. Excuse me for that buy. So you can see it's very, very too much. It's very, very too much. So like it was gonna kill other people's account. Price is testing 38.25. I didn't use Fibonacci here, and I don't use Fibonacci, so that's why am I even saying I didn't use? Because I don't use it. Yeah, 0.5 and 0.68. It's just around the corner here from this high, from this low to this high. Yeah, so nice. Yeah, this support. Yeah.
You guys, can you see? I'm gonna say, I've said it before, I'm gonna say it again. That's why I don't use Fibonacci, because Fibonacci will always align with structure. So why not just use structure instead of going to go look for your tools and do this and do that?
Guys, Shavil is gonna kill you now. Stop using
I'll
Fibonacci.
fight you. If you're using Fibonacci, I'm gonna fight with you.
Shavil is gonna kill you now. Shavil is gonna kill you. But guys, okay, guys, I feel like this is gonna be a long session if you're gonna keep on hosting it, right? Did I say that right? Yeah. Okay, guys, so let's do this now. Let's manage our trade accordingly, guys. Okay, let's manage our trade. So starting here, if you can see my screen, let me see. Where is this? I want to take this thing down. Okay, cool. So guys, starting from this account here, you can see, just gonna drag my stop loss and put it below this area here. So you can see, guys, that I put my stop loss just below this level of support here. This level of support here, guys, this level of support. Why I'm doing that is because there's a lot of manipulation that can happen in these areas before price push up. So we want to make sure that we are safe. We are as safe as we possibly can. And then again, guys, let me just zoom out. In terms of your take profit, guys, in terms of your take profit, as long as you see blue, you own Nas. No, this is US30, guys. You almost gave me a heart attack now.
Yeah. Oh, you've entered Nas.
Man, I entered Nasdaq
with a buy.
With a buy.
By mistake.
By mistake. But guys, put a stop loss just below these areas. Nas is going down. US30 is going up. Nas is going down. US30 is going up. We can't see that support that you are referring to. Still sharing trading view. You can see. Oh, still sharing trading view.
No.
New share.
Okay, let me just do new share. Okay, guys, here, as you can see, guys, here, let me just zoom out. Guys, here, on my app, you can see, guys, this is where I want us to put our stop loss, just below these areas, guys, here, just below this level of support. Let me just get my insert shapes rectangle. Just below this level of support, guys, this is where I want us to put your stop loss. Just below these areas, guys, just to be safe, just below these areas, just to be safe. Please, guys, do that right now with me. You see, this is where I'm putting my stops. This is where I'm putting my stops. This is where I'm putting my stops with me now. Just do that. Let me just go to new share. You see that now is rejecting a bit. But we can still see, guys, the next candlestick, the next 15-minute candlestick can still play around these areas before shooting to the upside. It can take a little bit longer. It can take as much as it wants, but eventually we're going to see that move to the upside. Most of the time when it does this, it's very less likely for it to continue shooting to the downside. Although it can happen, this is market, you know, although it can happen, but it's very less likely to happen. So guys, I'm happy with the trade, even though I'm not so happy with the entry, but I'm happy with the trade. Very much happy. Where's the support you're talking about, Pip Sandy? We can see, okay, guys, I did share the screen. But in terms of the support that I'm talking about, guys, let me just show you from my trading view. I'm talking about this, guys. You see where there's my line here? Where's my line? This is the support I'm talking about here. This one, just below this one is support I'm talking about. So, guys, make sure that you put a stop loss just below that support, and then you just hold this position. In terms of TP, as soon as you are fine with the profit that you're gonna see, you can close. Because, yeah, but then you can also target this one as your TP1, and then up there at the top as your TP2.
If you guys saw minus 600 drawdown, then don't close less than 600, guys.
1:1.
Because if your blood was able to hold that minus, then obviously at least target more than what you were able
to. At least target more than
exactly. That was minus 1.2.
Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. So guys,
yeah, it's break even now.
Yeah. So it's now powerful. Guys, please make sure that you send those screenshots, guys. Please make sure that you send those screenshot of profit. Let there be peace in the Middle East. Guys, please make sure that you send those screenshots.
Who was that? Sibuile. Sibuile is already saying end the session.
Yeah.
Mama. That's what Sibuile is saying.
No, he's happy. He's on break even now.
He's on break even. Sibuile, was your blood boiling?
Hey, 600 is the charm I saw on my 1.5 account. Yeah. Yes, guys, if you saw a negative 600 on your account, make sure that you close in 600 and above when it's in profit. Or if you don't wanna put yourself under a lot of pressure, once maybe you see 400 profit, just move your stop loss maybe to break even, and then you let the trade go, so that even if it's in reverse, it doesn't take that profit. It doesn't take you from being in a profit and then to a loss. Make sure that the management there, the trade management. But yeah, guys, make sure that you do the things to be done. 1:1, 1:2. That is all we're looking for in this position. Nothing so much and too complicated. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for staying and tuning into the session. It's me, your boy, Falaka Mamba. I'm out of the building. Let there be peace in the Middle East. Let our brothers and sisters be safe. Guys, make sure that you send me those screenshots. Make sure that you send me those screenshots. Oh, you guys want some shout outs? Should we give out some shout out? Kielo, Kanabu. Kaelo. What's up, man? What's up, man? What's up? I can see that you're chilling there. I can see Mzi as well. It's chilling. Mzi, we can't see you, Mzi, man. That's happening, man. That's happening. But the camera is open. What's up, my brother? What's up, my brother? Mabuya, I can see Mabuya there. What's happening? What's happening? This is your tape. What, 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, open 15 minutes, please. Okay, thanks. Okay. Let me see Tabo Mabuya. Clement Mkwanazi, I can see there. Neville, what's happening there, my brother? What's happening, my brother? Eugene.
What's happening, Eugene? Hey,
what's happening?
Hey,
what's happening?
Man, where did you find that background, man? Where do you guys get these fancy things?
I bet Eugene is always doing this, man.
Eugene, you must teach us, man. We want you to host a Zoom session teaching us how to make backgrounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, you must fight. You must fight. Nazar, what's happening, my brother? What's happening, Nazar? Yeah, guys, we are in profit now. Just small and profits, I believe.
Yes.
That's small and profits, I believe.
It is.
Yeah, small and profits.
Yeah, check out my screen.
That is not red to blue. That is not small and profit.
Okay, guys, please, guys, make sure that you send those screenshots. Please, guys, please don't disappoint the member. I'm out of the building, guys. Now I'm out. Let it be peace in the Middle East. With our brothers and sisters. Be safe.
Peace.